box and I want to open it. So I'm going to start out with the card.
Are you sure you don't want to wait till your birthday?
I'm sure.
Really?
And Patty, I really like what you get me. I liked what you got for Christmas for me. So I know this one's going to be good.
It's going to be good.
Hey, it's your birthday. Thank you.
Read it.
Happy birthday, Hazar. I love you. You, a whole bunch. Love, always, always. Aunt Patty.
Aww.
Now let's get onto the box. Aunt Patty, thank you for getting me this. Whatever it is gonna be. Maybe I should wait until my birthday. Here's the gift card.
Goody.
Whoa! Thank you, Aunt Patty.
Ooh, cool. A gumball blaster.
Candy school bus, a candy truck, and... Thank you, Aunt Patty!